I feel like really weird now. I don't know why. I think there's just more comments coming through and a lot more followers. And the comments are hard to read now. That's why. The Queen of all Queens. I'm sorry, Twin. For what? I want to hit 50k. Thank you. What are these comments? Showing around. What's so interesting behind there? Oh my god, I don't know how to say your username. You know who you are. Thank you so much for the cowboy hat. She got me dazing because she was so amazing, and now my heart is. Thank you for the heart meme. Don't move. Ooh, no, we don't want comments like that. Mute. Stop. I actually just can't with comments like that. Like, it actually stresses me out. Mine just muted. How old am I? How old do you think I am? You're a baddie. Marcel! Thank you so much. Thank you for the tiny Donnie. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk right now. Marcel, thank you. Who is this other person gifting? I need to say thank you to them. Marcel, chill. Life on easy mode. What is that supposed to mean? I can't find that other one. 18 plus. I'm 21. Holy, I'm getting anxiety like crazy. Marcel, bang, thank you. I'm getting really bad anxiety. One battle of my cake. I don't want any more pizza. A little taster of the cake, and then we do one more. Oh, I don't have a spoon. And I can't be bothered getting a spoon. Okay, here's what she looks like. Hi. Hi, Curb. I don't know why he was worried. Why I was worried. I think it's just because I've got such a big streak now. I need to put my phone on charge. It's cake. Do you guys want to do more battles? I'm really. Oh my gosh, we've got 1 hour until Daily's refresh. I'm sitting at 19, but I've never sat at 19 before. Bro, I need one more bite. Okay, ready? Yawn. Where do you guys find the? He was mad. Wait, no. Surely I still have mine. Oh my god, you guys are so good for that. I actually just can't be bothered doing it anymore. Hey, Marcel. Hey, you helped me so much. Medics, thank you. Dance. I just have to sit down. I just got really excited. My bedtime is in 50 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna try. What do you mean? Guys, not everyone gets to be a mod. What do you want to see? I want to see a TikTok universe, gang. No, I'm kidding. I'm actually not kidding. Uni! No, I'm kidding. Hi, I'm back with an actual name. Hayden. I don't know you. Always for the biggest gift. Sorry. Stand up and turn. Fuck it. Oh my god, thank you. Don't tempt Marcel. Marcel, you know what I want. What are you saying that to, Wolverine? Not gonna lie? What do you mean, not gonna lie? You're worth it. Oh no! Stop! Thank you, but I'm just kidding, you don't have to. Shout out watching from my cell phone. Hey! I look rough, like I actually look rough. I don't even look good. To explain the handstand one. Gonna have a problem. You like to show off, huh? There's 850 people in here. I'm sure they would be shocked. You're a good girl, aren't you? Better stand out. That's right. Handstand and feet sends the uni. Don't I got your attention? You have my attention. You have my full attention right now. Trust me. Your username is sticking out to me a lot. Facing towards or away. I know, right, ball. Say you're my sister. Why? Where is MGM? I don't know. And I tried to message MGM to say thank you, but I can't because MGM doesn't even follow me, which is really weird. How old are you? I'm 21. Remember, far forever. MGM followed me. MGM didn't follow me. Why didn't MGM follow me? Okay, are you gonna send the uni or not? I feel like you're just lying.